ibig sabihin nun, lahat tayo, we are already home in Christ. No? Church of the Hope. Kaya, nung ino-organize natin itong National Conference, ang tanong ng mga organizers, kasama ba yung ating mga YFCs, kasama ba yung ating mga KFCs, SFCs, Handmaids of the Lord, Servants of the Lord? But ang resounding answer is that yes, they are very much part of the conference. No? Kasama natin sila. In fact, yung kagabi, sila pa ngayon nag-perform para sa atin. No? So, finding home in Christ is knowing, loving, and serving God where we all came from. Sabi nga ni San Agustin, no? Sabi niya, maganda yung sinabi niya eh, our hearts will not rest until they rest in Thee. Ang kapahingahan natin ay nasa tahanan ng Panginoon. So, maaaring sa ating buhay, nag-aanap pa tayo. No? Nung wala pa tayo sa Couples for Christ, ang gulo ng buhay natin, parang walang direction ng buhay natin, hindi tayo magkaroon ng parang parang kapahingahan. At siguro, masasagot niya yan eh, no? Even as I say na medyo parang principle lang yung sinasabi ko. Pero sa inyo, alam nyo na nung buhay, wala pa tayo sa Couples for Christ, medyo magulo. Nung kami ni Ime, ang buhay namin, puro trabaho. Diba? Mapapansin nyo nung couples, yung first talk orientation natin sa Christian Life Program, dinidefine doon yung 4 na uri ng mag-iba niya. The poor, the captive, the oppressed, the blind. Kami yung masasabi ng captive. Captive kami ng trabaho, talagang grabe yung trabaho namin. No? From Monday to Sunday. No? Yung Saturday namin is a regular day. Yung Saturday namin is overtime. Pero walang bayad yun eh. Actually, walang bayad yun. But then, even so, ano pa rin kami, we're captive with work. No? And so, walang kapahingahan. No, when we became Couples for Christ, nakita namin, hindi pala yun ang buhay. Hindi pala yun yung buhay natin. Na parang kayod, para kumita ng pera, gastos, kayod. Kita, gastos. Parang vicious cycle. Pagtang huli, hindi, uupo ka na lang, pagod na. Before you know it, matanda ka na. Hindi na natin nakita yung tunay na kapahingahan. The Lord said, St. Augustine said, our hearts will not rest until they rest in Thee. Our only real hope is in the bosom of our Creator. Sa dibdib ng Panginoon ang ating kapahingahan. So, I'm sure, very, very real sa inyo yan. Lalo dito sa Italy. Kasi lahat tayo pumunta dito, very purpose kung bakit tayo pumunta dito ay upang maghanap buhay. No? So I'm sure, makikita natin nun, kung halimbawa, nandito tayo sa Italy and then, ang purpose lang natin ay magtrabaho, mapapagod tayo. And our part of the Couples for Christ, we can see kung anong tunay na kapahingahan talaga. Kapahingahan. Okay? Kapahingahan na, nag-i-enjoy pa. Now, naitayo na natin yung Church of the Home. Naitayo na natin at nagtatayo pa rin tayo ng ating Church of the Home. Now, the next church na itinayo natin, sabi natin, if we go to the history of Couples for Christ from 1981 up to 1993, we were focused with the couples. No? From 1993 to 2000, we were establishing or building the Church of the Home. Now, by 2000, nakita natin, we need to build another church. Kailangan magtayo ulit tayo ng panibagong simbahan. No? Ang susunod na simbahan, itinatayo natin ngayon, yung tinatawag natin Church of the Poor, ang simbahan ng mahihirap. Malawakan ng poverty, no? yung kahirapan. No? Pero tignan natin ano ba talaga yung definition ng poverty. Ano ba talaga yung kahulugan ng kahirapan? Kasi ang kilala lang natin kahirapan, yung kahirapan na materially poor. No? Pero ano nga ba exactly ang kahulugan ng poverty? No? Poverty in its real sense is not having Christ, not knowing Him, and not being able to draw fullness of life from Him. No? At kasunod nun, nung kakulangan ng Panginoon, kawalan ng Panginoon sa ating buhay, kasunod nun yung kahirapan. Kahirapan, physically, kahirapan, mentally, emotionally. No? Lahat ng aspeto ng ating buhay. So for example, hindi natin nakikita, we feel na parang physically or financially kulang tayo or materially kulang tayo, where in fact, kung titignan natin ng ating mga paligid, meron naman. Ang kulang lang, ang problema lang natin, we're overspending. We're spending more than we can, more than we have. No? So parang nakikita natin talaga na ang tunay na kahulugan ng kahirapan ay yung kawalan ni Kristo at hindi natin pagkakilala kay Kristo sa ating buhay. Poverty in its real sense is not having Christ, not knowing Him, and not being able to draw fullness of life from Him. Now, noong 2000, ang ating team ay hango doon sa Luke 4:18-19. Lucas 4:18-19, kung saan sinabi niya, bring glad tidings to the poor, proclaiming liberty to the captives, recovery of sight to the blind, and setting the oppressed free. Poor, captives, blind, free. Binanggit yun. Kung mapapansin nyo, even before that, even before the year 2000, kasama na yan sa Christian Life program natin. No? Lahat tayo bahagi o nag-umattend ng Christian Life program. And sa orientation, ito yung unang-unang passage, biblical passage na maririnig natin. So, noon pa lamang, meron na talaga rin vision for us, no? Natulungan ang mahihirap. Tulungan ang mahihirap. Malawakan ang kahirapan, no? Very, very widespread ang poverty dito sa atin, no? sa mundo. Now, kailangan, kung sinasabi natin sa talk number 6 natin, loving thy neighbor, we'll have to live that out. Kailangan ilibawag natin yung sinasabi natin pagmamahal ng kapwa. No? Sa pamamagitan ng ating pagtatayo ng ating Church of the Poor. No? Yung Church of the Poor natin. Now, ang CFC Italy ay tumutulong para sa mahihirap. Maaaring hindi nyo alam, but you already have a GK village in San Mateo. You are currently sponsoring a village in the GK European Village sa Maralit, Parañaque. As of today, you already have 12 homes. You have already contributed 12 homes dito sa European Village na ito. And so, we are helping out. Tumutulong tayo para sa ating mga kapuspalan na mga kababayan, no? Through the European Village. No? We now have 12 homes still under construction. No? Now, I'm sure, itatanong natin yung mga kasalukuyan nating na naririnig sa ating members ng International Council. That we now have a very expansive work for the poor. No? Yung work with the poor natin, even as we are still working with Gawad Kalinga, we now have our angko, work with the poor, kung saan we will be complementing the work ng Gawad Kalinga. No? Yung Gawad Kalinga work natin. No? We have our social ministries. No? We have program para sa migrants na yung sa migrante, kung saan tayo ay involved. No? Lalo higit, tayo ay mga migrants din. We are migrants. So, poverty comes in many forms. Poverty comes in many forms. So, ang migrante ay isang uri rin, isang form din ng kahirapan sapagkat tayo ay wala sa sarili nating bayan. No? We don't have the luxury of being in our own homes. No? Kasabay nun, maraming mga concerns. And so, we also need to work and help our migrants. No? So, that's part of us helping out and building the Church of the Poor. No? We need to be sensitive.